Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Code with Deepa. So today is day 55 of solving daily problems on Geeks for Geeks. Now let us see what today's problem is. So today's problem is trail of ones, which is asked in Amazon. Now let us try to read this problem and understand it properly. So see, the question says that you are given n. N is a number given to you and you have to find the number of binary strings of length n that contains consecutive ones in them. So like n equals to 2, which means you have to find a number, find the number of strings which will contain continuously 1 in their binary representation. Okay, since the number can be very large, we have to modulo it with 1e97. We will modulo this result with this number to get the correct answer. Okay, so if we see the input is n equals to 2, which means that we have to count the strings which can contain two ones in its binary representations. So there are only four possible strings of length 2, which are 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. Now there is only a single string 1, 1 which contains two ones in its binary representation. Now if we see the pattern in this, so it forms a pattern of numbers it like this. If n equals to 1, which is 0 into 2 plus 0, which will result in 0. Okay, next is 0 into 2 plus 1 for n equals to 2. For n equals to 3, what we have to do, we have to take the previous value for n equals to 1 and multiply it with 2 and add 1 to it. For the next number, what we will do, we will take the previous value, multiply it with 2 and add 2 to it. If you see here, the number which we are adding, like 0, 1, 1, and after that 2, after that 3, after that 5, after that 8, and so on. So as you can see, it forms a binary Fibonacci series in which the next term is the sum of the previous two terms in the series. Okay, here you can see it forms a Fibonacci series. So we have derived the formula with the help of which we will calculate the number of binary strings of length n that will contain consecutive ones in them. Okay, so if I talk about the formula, it becomes that for the current value of n, my answer will be previous value of n multiplied by 2 plus the Fibonacci number. Okay, so to solve this problem, what we will do, let's see the code here. First, we will declare our vector int dp, which will store the numbers for any number. Okay, for dp of 0, dp of 1, it will count the number of strings which contain consecutive numbers of 1. Now for these three values, we already know that what will be the answer. So we have initialized the values by ourselves. Then we have initialized a return condition that if n is less than 3, then in that case you can directly return the dp of n value which we have previously defined here. Okay, next is we have declared two variables a0 and b1. These are for our Fibonacci series. Okay, this will try to calculate, this will help us to keep the track of our Fibonacci numbers. Okay, so this will be for Fibonacci numbers, right? Next, what we have to do is we are running a for loop from int I equals to 3 to less than equals to n. Now here the first thing what we have to do is we have to calculate this number which we have to add to our current number. Okay, so we will first calculate the Fibonacci number which will be the sum of previous two, and here we are updating the two numbers by providing them the new value. Now to calculate dp of I need the dp of I minus 1 value. I will multiply it with 2 and then I will modulo the number with the help of modulus operator so that the number remains in the range of integer only, and at last we will modulo our answer again so that the answer produces, so this code produces a correct output. Without modulo operator you can't get the correct answer, it will give you wrong values. Okay, so after that what we will do, we'll just return dp of n. If we dry run this for dp, let's say n equals to 4, so what will happen that here we can see for n equals to 4, it will take the previous value, which is n equals to 3, and then it will multiply the number with 2 and add the Fibonacci number to it. Okay, and it will result in the output 8. So now let us try to run this code. So here you can see that I have written the same code. So now let's just run it. So as you can see, it is accepted. Now let's just submit this to test for other test cases also. So see, it has passed all the test cases and we have solved today's problem of the day on GFG, which was trail of ones, and it was asked in Amazon also. So it is a very important question to practice. Try it on your own. Go on GFG, search trail of ones, and you will get this problem. And I hope you have learned something from this video. If this video solution was clear to you, please like, comment and share. If you have any doubt, please leave it in the comment section. And like this video, comment on it, subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon to get daily notification about the videos I'm posting here. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.